Welcome to our tutorial about the Loft command. Let's start by creating a square. Right-click, Done. And a diagonal line from this corner to this corner that will convert to construction geometry. Let's add an equal relation. And let's dimension the square. 1.5 inches. Lastly, let's add a coincident relation between the center point and this point. We're ready to exit the sketch. Finish sketch. Let's show the XY plane. Right-click, check Visibility. Now I'm going to create a construction plane. It'll be offset 2.5 inches from the XY plane. Let's create a sketch. Project Geometry. We'll select all 4 lines of our square. Offset. And let's apply dimensions now. This distance will make 1/4 inch, 0.25. OK. Right-click and Done. Let's Shift-select all 4 lines of our original square and convert to construction geometry. And let's finish the sketch. Let's take an isometric view. I'm going to create one more work plane. Offset by 1 inch. OK. And let's create a sketch. Project Geometry. Right-click, Done. Let's Shift-select all 4 lines and convert to regular geometry. Now exit the sketch. OK, let's hide all 3 planes that we've been working on. Right-click, select Visibility. Right-click, Visibility. And right-click on Work Plane 2, Visibility. On the Create panel is the Loft Tool. Let's left-click to activate it. Click in the selection box to start adding profiles. Here's our second profile. And Sketch 3 will be our third profile. There's 3 tabs on this dialog window. In this tutorial, we'll only be looking at the Curves tab. Output options. We can create a solid or a surface. The first option here is a loft with rails. This is basically a 2D or a 3D curve that specifies the loft shape between sections. The next option is Centerline. This is a rail that the loft section holds normal to. The last option is called Area Loft. This option allows control of a cross-section of the area at a specific point. This arrow on our sketches shows the direction of the loft. You can change the direction of the loft by reorganizing the order of the sketches under the sections area. The Closed Loop option. If you check this box, you can create a section between the first sketch and the last sketch. For this option to work, you do need to have more than 2 sketches. The Merge Tangent Faces option. This does pretty much what it says. It'll merge any faces that are tangent. As a result, the edge between these faces is not created. At this point, let's click OK. And here is our loft. This concludes our first tutorial about the Loft command. In the following chapters, I'll be looking at the Transition and Conditions tabs of the Loft dialog window.